Salamat sa lahat ng naniniwala. And sana magtulungan tayo lahat para maging magandang kinabukasan ng Pilipinas. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our most influential celebrity of the year, Miss Catherine.
Lagi ko pinapaalala sa sarili ko to do everything with good intentions and with purpose. So whether it's for a role or just being me behind the camera. Celebrity of the Year, Miss Catherine. Circle for this incredible recognition. Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo, simula bata ako, lagi kong pinapaalala sa sarili ko to do everything with good intentions and with purpose. So whether it's for a role or just being me behind the cameras, yan yung lagi kong nire-remind sa sarili ko. And ngayon, na nakuha ko na naman ko, na-consider ako to be one of the celebrities na may most influential award. Wow, maraming salamat. You know, influence is both an honor and a responsibility. It's like a gift that should be used carefully. Always try to do what is right. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, kailangan nila yung mga kabataan, tayo yung pag-asa nila. So, huwag kayong magsasawa na ipaglaban kung ano yung tama.